What is the keto flu and what can you expect? Keto flu is the adaptation phase that one can experience when you go on the carnivore diet. Even with the keto diet, you may experience that. It's an adaptation phase to become fat adapted, and it lasts about 18 days, and you can experience symptoms like cramping and especially in the legs and in the abdominal muscles, and you can also experience headaches and nausea and fatigue, even diarrhea. But most of these symptoms disappear within 18 days. Some of the symptoms may last longer. You may use magnesium and magnesium spray for cramping, but I did not really find it to be effective. It depends on how sick you are, and some people experience some of these symptoms for a longer period. The benefits of the carnivore diet, however, outweighs the adaptation phase symptoms, the keto flu symptoms. And if take for instance type 2 diabetes, if you can reverse it with the carnivore diet and you have to suffer through the keto flu symptoms as your body heals and adapts. Brett Lloyd talks about that in many of his videos. He's a 4-year carnivore, and his video is video number 6 on my blog. He healed his depression with the carnivore diet, and he experienced diarrhea up to 6 months into the carnivore diet. So you can experience cramping even up to a year. I even now sometimes get a cramp in the leg area, for instance, and we don't know what it is. I don't really care about that too much, because for instance I reversed my non-alcoholic fatty liver disease with the carnivore diet. I reversed my hypertension with the carnivore diet. So if you take the risk of hypertension, for instance, got a 4.5 risk factor to get heart disease, according to the study that was done on 28,000 women over a 10-year period, video number 84 on my blog. So check out my frequently asked question playlist on my YouTube channel. Go and check out video number 12 and video number 95 on my blog. If you click the photo profile, you'll find my blog link, carnivoreway.blogspot.com, or you'll find the links to my TikTok channel and my blog in the description of this video if you see this on Facebook or on YouTube. Get rid of the nausea. It sometimes helps to eat less fat, and sometimes you can even add fat if that is the case. Especially with fatigue, adding fat sometimes helps. So the question was asked, what can I do about nausea on the carnivore diet? It can be part of the keto flu symptoms, but one thing that you can definitely do is to change the amount of fat that you are eating. Either make it less or make it more. You can also change the type of meat that you are consuming. If your nausea symptoms or keto flu symptoms continue, you should go and see a doctor. So sometimes the symptoms that you get is not related to your diet. And just to be on the safe side, one should always consult your doctor. Typical keto flu symptoms is about 18 days. But as I said, it can last longer. But just to be sure that you don't have any other trouble, like infection or obstruction, let your doctor check you out if your symptoms persist. Not everything is related to diet, and things that can happen simultaneously in your body. But having said that, in most cases, it's keto flu symptoms and it will go away. Chicken and pork, some people find that it does not work well with them. People experienced lack of energy when they are consuming chicken, and some people
experience nausea when they consumed pork. So it seems to be better to focus on red meat, and of course you should prepare the red meat in real butter or saturated fat, not unsaturated fat like sunflower or canola. That is bad for you. But as I said, check out video number 95 on my blog. The link to my blog is in the description of this video. Video number 95 and video number 12 on my blog is about keto flu, and my doctors talk about that, what you can do.